To navigate around ceiling beams or adjust pipe levels, detours must be added. To do this, select a pipe segment and Ctrl plus left-click. A menu will appear, allowing you to move the pipe up, down, or around an obstacle. In this scenario, I need the detour to descend, pass beneath the ceiling beam, and then return to its default height. Therefore, I will choose Go Around, as Go Up and Go Down is more commonly used when transferring from one floor level to another. A dialog box labeled Detour will open, showing a symbol for the detour type. Here, you can specify the total detour length, which includes the combined distance down, across, and back up. Once added, the detour will be represented by a black ring on the pipe route, displaying its length. If the length is missing, check the settings and toggle Show Detour text. The length of our detour should now be visible. By right-clicking the black circle, you can either delete or adjust the detour. The current length is displayed on the right. At the end of the pipe route, a green box with numbers indicates the area the pipe belongs to. In this case, the box is quite small, so I will increase its size by, again, going into the settings and adjusting the text size. If multiple pipes share the same area, the box will display the area number, followed by a dash and the pipe number. And that covers the basics of drawing a system in PipeDraw. In Part 3 of the course, we will explore how to use the calculation function to refine our system and finalize the design for project implementation.